All right, now let's review the code in our mortgage report class one last time. So once again, we can see the encapsulation principle in action. We have encapsulated some state or data and operations around data in a single unit. So we are storing a calculator object in this field, and we have operations around this calculator object. So here we're using our calculator object to get some data and print it on the console. Beautiful. So we have properly separated various concerns. This class is entirely responsible for presentation. We don't have any calculations here. However, I still see one more opportunity for refactoring. Look at this expression. Number format, that get currency instance. We have duplicated that here. We need to store this currency object in a field in this class so we can reuse it in two places. So let's refactor this. I've selected this expression. Let's go to refactor, extract, field. Here we can see the preview of this field. It's going to be private number format called currency instance. And here we can initialize this in the current method, which is not a good idea. We should initialize it either while declaring the field or in the constructor. I'm going to initialize it in the constructor for consistency. Let's go with that. Now we can tick this box to replace both occurrences. Now finally, we need to accept or change this highlighted name. I would prefer to call it just currency. That is shorter and cleaner. So press enter, done. Take a look. Now we have two fields in this class. IntelliJ declared this field as final. So once it's set in the constructor, it cannot be reset. And that's perfectly fine. We don't need to recreate a currency object inside this class. Now, look at our print methods. Our code is cleaner and more readable.